Hello, lovely people. So it's been 6 weeks since I went away and left my vegetable garden. That's 6 weeks at the height of garden season. I have never done that before. When I left, my garden looked like this. And now I'm about to see it for the first time. You are too. Let's check it out. Oh my God, these things are like 8 feet tall now. My heirloom tomatoes need a lot of thinning. I can see that I need to do a lot of pruning. There's like yellowed leaf. Oh my God. Oh, something's ravaged it. I'm gonna guess a squirrel. Eaten before it was ripe. Oh, that's a shame. But, you know, that's to be expected. There's going to be wildlife coming around. These are very overgrown spring onions. But you know what? I had some neighbors keeping an eye on things, and they've done an amazing job tying up these indeterminate tomatoes, these heirloom tomatoes, as they've grown so tall. So that's really nice to see. Let's see. Oh my God. Okay. My eggplant looks a little worse for wear. Wow. Something's been munching them up. I see these little flea beetles that always kind of get to it every year, but well, we'll see if we can revive them. I'll see what I can do. I'll trim up some of those leaves. I planted okra for the first time this year, and I know that my neighbor has harvested some okra. There is some okra on here, I see. It's a red kind of okra. This is a cherry tomato. Oh, here we go. This one, guys, is a volunteer. This was a baby that grew up from a cherry tomato I planted last year, which is blue cream. I'll just do some pruning of some leaves. And we've got some, let's see here. Ooh, these look beautiful. Look at the size of this fruit. I let my lettuce go to seed before I left. It was already hot enough that it was bolting, so that's fine. My nasturtium here looks quite good. Let's see what bug this is here. That looks like maybe a baby stink bug. And wow, okay, I've got some crazy dill action going on here. I'm gonna have to push them back. And, oh, guys, I left fennel here. Look at the size of this. Oh my God. Oh, it smells like fennel. Lovely. I was growing it for the bulb, not for the fronds. I'll have to dig it up and see. I don't know. I mean, like when it bolts like this, can you eat the bulb still? I don't know, but we'll find out. We'll take it up and look at it. It's kind of crowding out my tomatoes over here. I can see some sort of yellowing from moisture. So we'll get this out of here to open up this set of tomatoes. Wow, look at this cucumber vine, guys. It has really, actually there's 1, 2, 3 of them here. It's really taken over. I know my neighbors have harvested dozens of cucumbers, and there's a lot here. I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's so many. I've got to do some pruning to get this back in shape. Come with me this way. Look, oh, there's melons, guys. Check this out. Here, do you see that? There's 1, 2, 3 big ones that I see from just here. It's an heirloom melon, a sweet melon. Wow, that's not ready, but I think it's gonna need some more supporting. It's kind of leaning this way, but that's good to see. That's exciting. There's more here. Let's go check out some carrots. Over here, I grew them in the 2 tomato beds. I have a row here and a row here. Ooh, I see some poking out. Wow. Let's see, guys. Let's just pull one up here. Oh, very nice. This is, if I remember correctly, a Uzbek gold. So it's a golden carrot. I planted those along with some orange ones. That is a victory right there. I have never grown an heirloom carrot as big as that. Yes. very excited about that. Gorgeous. Let's check out the orange ones over here. We'll scoot around this way, how about? Come with me. Oh. There's a rather big hole. Something's been digging. Oh, look at this. Whatever was munching on that tomato got stuck into the carrots. Look at that. Oh, what a shame. Boo. But here, look, check it out now that it's exposed. Woohoo! Very nice. I wonder what's digging, guys, because I have fencing, I have chicken wire that goes below ground all across the way. This is quite a big hole for a squirrel, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure this out. There's a lot of fruit on here. I'm so happy to see that. And I'll get a few wheelbarrows full of leaves out of here to just open it up and get the air circulating. I'll want to look for signs of tomato hornworm as well, because they'll be around here at this point. I don't see anything just yet, but we'll just get a whole bunch of leaves out of here to get the air circulating. But this is, not bad, not bad. I want to go see my bean bed now. This is looking pretty good. Look at these beans, guys. Sorry. I've got some, I think these are purple teepee maybe, that I've grown. I can't even remember at this time. I've got to consult my journal. I've got borlotti and dragon beans here. I know there's going to be a ton of them lurking underneath that I'm going to have to, oh yeah, look at all of these. This is a kind of in-between stage. It's a little bit more mature than I like to eat them in the fresh pod, so I might let these guys mature fully. And I'll know that they're ready to be picked as beans to be dried, because the pods will go very white and very leathery. I grew mini sunflowers this year, dwarf sunflowers. They will get seeds, so I am going to let these guys go and hopefully harvest them when the head is nice and seedy. I'm gonna get to work. I'll let you guys watch as I prune and try to tame this garden, get it back in shape.